Yeah. Yeah.
Band camp, nigga. My whole camp got bands, nigga.
Yeah.
It's a lifestyle, nigga. It's the life we live. Life we chose.
Yeah.
Chop test, the F block. It's Amy. I'm laughing cause it's funny. If you don't like me, the nigga, you don't like money. I'm laughing cause it's funny. If you don't like me, the nigga, yeah, it's Black Jizzle. Band count black, nigga. We get to the bread. You know what I mean? Yeah, it's Black Jizzle.
Yeah.
The bitches call me J-Mom. I think it's like a cell phone. It's something that they stay on. Black girls, white girls, red bones, they blonde. They come in all colors. My life's about to crayons. I heard the money talk, and my conversation way long. Why you broke niggas talking cheap like payphone? I don't like the club. I'd rather stay home. But every time I'm out, I get it cracking like an acorn. You can't knock the hustle. I got that from a J song. So go and kill yourself and let me get my black J on. Fresh black J's on. Yeah, I got my name on. 501 jeans and some jet black shades on. They took me down the county, 100,000 straight bond. I do a lot of dirt, convict like Akon. I'm worried about me, I ain't worried about what they doing. My name hold weight like the scale that the A's on. Hey, y'all don't get it, I'm laughing cause it's funny. If you don't like me, the nigga, you don't like money. I got a lot of bitches, they playboy bunnies, and they only love me because I love money. Y'all don't get it, I'm laughing cause it's funny. If you don't like me, the nigga, you don't like money. Everybody love me, everybody love me, everybody love me because I love money. I love to shine. I want another necklace, so I'm in the jewelry store about to make a bad investment. But money come and money go, so I'm like F it. My snap just called and said he getting off the exit. I can't stand bitches, but I'm not a sexist. Nigga, you ain't shit is what I heard from all my exes. I tell them hoes check it, I appreciate the effort. Cause that's a mean dress, but I like my bitches naked. I love naked ladies, I ain't talking about the exes, no, I'm talking about the ones that's in my kitchen cooking breakfast. Bringing back the extras when she whip it like a step kid. If you don't like me, the nigga, money ain't your preference. Money on my mind, I could probably teach a lesson. So raise your hand and I'll give you the answers to your question. I'm never threatened, keep an automatic weapon. Ask the homie SK, it's Black J, young and reckless. Hey, y'all don't get it, I'm laughing cause it's funny. If you don't like me, the nigga, you don't like money. I got a lot of bitches, they playboy bunnies, and they only love me because I love money. Y'all don't get it, I'm laughing cause it's funny. If you don't like me, the nigga, you don't like money. Everybody love me, everybody love me.